Window Replacement Mascot TN is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Our expert window contractors in Mascot, Tennessee, specialize in energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round while reducing energy costs. Whether you're interested in vinyl window replacement or custom window solutions, our team is equipped to handle all your residential window replacement needs. For those in Mascot, Tennessee, vinyl window replacement Mascot TN is a popular choice due to its durability and low maintenance. Our window repair services in Mascot, Tennessee cover everything from window glass replacement to window frame replacement, ensuring your windows are in top condition. We also offer window replacement and window caulking services to prevent drafts and improve insulation. Double-hung windows, Mascot are a versatile option for any home, providing excellent ventilation and easy cleaning. Our window contractors in Mascot, Tennessee are skilled in installing and maintaining these windows, ensuring they operate smoothly. If you're considering a bay window replacement Mascot TN, our team can create a stunning focal point for your home, enhancing both its value and curb appeal. Commercial window services in Mascot, Tennessee cater to businesses looking to improve their building's energy efficiency and appearance. Our window glass replacement services in Mascot, Tennessee are ideal for businesses needing quick and efficient solutions. We also offer window tinting services in Mascot, Tennessee to reduce glare and protect interiors from UV damage. Window maintenance in Mascot, Tennessee is essential for prolonging the life of your windows. Our window services in Mascot, Tennessee address any issues promptly, preventing further damage. We also provide window replacement Mascot TN, ensuring your windows function properly and look great. Storm window installation in Mascot, Tennessee offers added protection against harsh weather conditions, keeping your home safe and secure. Our window seal repair services in Mascot, Tennessee ensure your windows are airtight, improving energy efficiency. For those in need of window hardware replacement in Mascot, Tennessee, our team can quickly and efficiently upgrade your window components. Sliding window replacement Mascot TN is a popular choice for homeowners seeking a modern look with easy operation. Our window glazing services in Mascot, Tennessee enhance the insulation and appearance of your windows. We also offer window weatherproofing in Mascot, Tennessee to protect your home from the elements.